Want to trade directly from TradingView without paying extra? Here's how to connect it to any exchange for free. Open TradingView and log in to your account. Go to the trading panel at the bottom. This is where connected brokers and exchanges appear. Now, if your exchange is not listed, you can use third-party bridges like Wonder Trading, 3 Commas, or Cornix that sync your TradingView alerts to actual trades. You just copy your API keys from your exchange like Binance, Bybit, or OKX and paste them into your chosen bridge. Next, in a TradingView, set up alert-based strategies on your chart using alert webhook URL. Paste the webhook from your bridge and now your alerts trigger real trades automatically. No manual clicks. You can even test it first in paper trading mode before going live. And that's it. Your TradingView is now connected to your exchange for free. No paid plugins, no limits, just smart trading automation for 2025.